Good afternoon. I'm Lindbloom. I'm one of the orthopedic shoulder and elbow surgeons here at Florida Orthopaedic Institute. I hope you and your family are all staying safe and staying home and taking all the necessary precautions during this difficult time. I wanted to talk a little bit about some common shoulder pain that may be experienced by you now that you're sitting in front of the screen and using your computer more often. Oftentimes, being at a desk, having improper posture in front of the screen can cause a lot of pain in the biceps tendon and also in the rotator cuff tendons of the shoulder. For my patients, I often recommend a simple theraband-based periscapular exercise program to kind of work on their posture to help to eliminate and minimize this pain and discomfort. And I'd be happy to share with you those 5 exercises today. So here I'll show you just 5 simple exercises that you can kind of progress through. I oftentimes tell my patients it's more about time and form rather than numbers of reps. So these are all exercises that you could do about 30 seconds to a minute in duration and just move through the different 5. We start by being upright and having good spinal posture. We're looking forward with neutral neck. Our first position, we're gonna have the elbows here at the side and we're gripping our TheraBand in front of us. We'll do some focused external rotation of the arms to the side, and notice that the terminal aspect of my motion, I'm really squeezing those shoulder blades back and together. After doing this exercise for that allotted amount of time, we're going to move into our second position. Our second position is with our arms straight ahead at about chest height, and the same, bringing back and really focusing on that scapular retraction, really focusing on that drawback, maintaining that good spinal and scapular posture throughout the entire duration of that range of motion. Our third position, we're going to bring the band up overhead and almost like a pull-up, draw that band down and back behind our head and neck. And again, we should be feeling our shoulder blades squeezing down and back towards that spine. Positions 4 and 5 are basically making a cruciate pattern or an X across the body. Our arms are straight and we're making the X pattern one way, the X pattern the other way. These are 5 simple exercises that you can do during your commercial break when you're not on Netflix watching Tiger King. You can be watching regular old commercials like we all had to bear through, and in that 5-minute time, you can do these 5 positions to really help strengthen and tone your posture for that shoulder. That way, when you hop back on your computer to work from home, or even better yet, if you want to check in with one of us via a telemedicine visit or in-clinic visit, you have that good posture. So remember to call us here at Florida Orthopaedic Institute. We do remain open and able to see you for your needs, whether it's via the telemedicine or in person. Our number is 813-978-9797. Thank you, and please stay safe.